Now what happens in this example? A man borrows rupees 15,000 for 2 years. The rate of interest for both the years are different. First year is 8%, for second year it is 10%. He repays rupees 6,200 after the first year. We have to calculate the outstanding amount after the second year. Now let's see what happens. We first calculate the interest after first year, which is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Principal is 15,000 into rate is 8% into time is 1 year upon 100, which gives out to be rupees 1,200. So we have interest after 1 year is rupees 1,200. So now we know that the amount after first year will be equal to 15,000 rupees plus this 1,200 rupees because it is the interest. But what he does is he repays 6,200 rupees after the first month. So we subtract 6,200 from here. So the amount becomes rupees 10,000. Now this is also the principal for the second year. Now 10,000 is the principal for second year. So we have interest for second year equal to principal into rate, that is for the second year the rate of interest is 10% into time 1 upon 100. Now this comes out to be equal to rupees 1,000. So now if the rate of interest, so if the interest is rupees 1,000 after the second year, the amount after second year becomes second year is equal to 10,000 plus 1,000, that is rupees 11,000. So we had to calculate the amount outstanding after the second year, that is equal to rupees 11,000.